Welcome back to problem of the day 24. This is another equilibrium problem. Find the forces in the system. So you have F2 and F1, and then you have 10 pounds going in the positive quadrant. So quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you know this is positive, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. So you got positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive, negative for the sign convention. So this quadrant, this will be in the negatives both ways. This is the positive both ways, and then negative, positive. So we'll sum the forces in the x. So we'll have to break each of these vectors down. So 10 cosine 15 minus f2 sine 20 minus f1 sine 60. So 15 is cosine because we're going in the x right there, and this is in the x, so that's why that's 20 sine, because that's opposite of the angle. And then this is also opposite angle, where this is adjacent of the angle. So that's the difference there. And now we can solve for this value first, which is 9.65. And we moved that over and then made these two terms positive. And then I solved for F2 and then simplified it some more. So that's our F2 equation. We'll save that because we're going to have to plug it back in to that sum of the forces in the Fy equation equals 0. So summing the forces in the y, you got again 10 sine 15 instead because it's in the y direction there, plus F2 cosine 20 minus F1 cosine 60 because positive negative is needed because this is in the negative y, but this is in the positive y, and these are the opposite angles, right? So now I'll simplify this, and then go through and plug in this equation to the equation we just set up. So you can see that term there. I should have plugged this one in for there, and I did now. And then once I get that, I will fully solve for F1, as you can see. Keep slowly simplifying it down. And then F1 equals 10.12 pounds. And I take that 10.12 pounds and plug it back into this equation. So you can see it here. And then I get F2 equals 2.59 pounds. So that that F1 is literally plugged in right here, so it's 28 times 10.12 minus 10.12 times the 2.5, and that's subtracted from the 28.38.